Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am preparing you for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you've got a boyfriend, a girlfriend, or just you. Maybe it's just you. That's me this year. Just me. Just me and Billy. Either way, I created this look. I actually am kind of obsessed with it, not gonna lie. Like, it is really simple, but I just think that it's really, really, really pretty and just feminine and light. And it looks really pretty when like the direct sunlight is hitting you. I don't know, I really, really, really like it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look and getting Valentine's Day ready, then keep on watching. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna start by using this CoverGirl foundation. I actually really, really like this. It's their Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I definitely would say it's really, really light coverage. So if you're not into light coverage, this probably is not for you at all, but I really, really like it. I think it's like really pretty, it's really glowy, and I just like the way that it looks on my skin a lot. So yeah, also it smells so freaking good. Like, oh, it smells like coconut, but it smells like real coconut, like coconut water or like coconut milk. Oh, it smells so good. Can you guys comment and let me know what you think of these butterfly clips? I mean, maybe not the clips, but like how they are styled. Because I feel like in real life it looks cute, but then on camera I'm like, can't tell. I'm gonna conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape. So this has a little bit more coverage than like an average concealer, and the foundation has a little bit less coverage than an average foundation, if that makes sense. So it's kind of a good combination for me because my problem areas are under my eyes primarily, unless I have like a breakout or something. So I like to keep the coverage under my eyes, and then I just add like a tiny bit for some brightness. Please let me know in the comments, how do I phrase this? What are your Valentine's Day plans? Like, do you have a significant other? Do you guys celebrate it? Or are you single and you still celebrate it with family or whatnot? I'm single. I feel like you guys know that. Valentine's Day is my brother's birthday, and it's also my stepdad's birthday. So it's really like one of those days that is like not a holiday to me, you know, like it's my brother's birthday. So I'm not one to like stress about Valentine's Day and be like, oh, I'm single for Valentine's Day. Like, it doesn't even really occur to me until I see the memes about it, really. I'm just applying the extra concealer that's left on my sponge onto my eyelids and just laying that down as a base. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is put on some blush, and this blush is actually so freaking cute. I don't know if you guys have seen this before on like Instagram or something, but watch. It's so cute. It's an actual stamp that you stick into the pigment and then stamp it on, and then you can blend it out, and it's a really, really, really pretty cream blush, or more of a liquid blush, I guess. But I just think it's so cute. Some of y'all thought I was probably leaving it like that, huh? So every single time that I blend in a liquid blush, I always like to use a duo fiber brush. I just think that it works the best and gets the most natural finish to it, and is really easy too. So just a little hot tip for you: if you have a duo fiber brush, try using that whenever you blend in cream or liquid blush. So since it's Valentine's Day, I kind of want to go hard for blush today. So I want to use a little bit of this from CoverGirl. This is the Clean Fresh Cream Blush in the shade Flushed. So this has more of like a corally finish to it, where this one's really pink, and I just really like to combine blushes recently. Like, I'm just obsessed with blush. So I feel like everyone is right now, like it's so in. I don't know. But this one I'm just going to dab on with my finger. As you can see, like the pigment is there. So you really don't need a lot, like literally at all. Like literally. I mean, don't get me wrong, you could just use one blush. Like, don't, please, by all means. Or you could use 3. Okay, so I'm gonna add some highlight to my face, or some glow, I should say, and I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I feel like for this look, I want to be super dewy, super glowy, and like very natural looking, but not natural in the sense of like no makeup, but natural in the sense of like skin-like. Do you get what I'm saying? You know who is kind of my inspo for this, even though like I'm not the biggest fan of hers? I mean, I'm not a fan, but I'm not a fan, you know? But McKenna from The Bachelor. Oh, are you guys watching this season of The Bachelor? Oh, if you are, comment, let me know, like, who's your front runner? Who do you dislike? I mean, That's kind of a mean question. Who do you think is gonna get eliminated? How about that? All right, as if I didn't have enough glow on my face already, I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl Cooling Glow Stick. This actually is really, really cooling, and this is in the shade Opal Dreams. It's more of the pink shade, pinky shade. And I'm just gonna put this on the high points of my face. You really don't need a lot of this stuff, and it's not like super high impact, but I just think that when the sun hits it, it looks really, really pretty, or like when the light hits it in general, it looks really pretty. Honestly, like, I'm sorry that I'm rolling around so much. You cannot trust me in a rolly chair. Like, that is not, it's not good. I think what I'm gonna do is just keep it really, really pink and really, really loose and airy. So let's see. I'm gonna start by just putting a little bit of this liquid blush on my eyelids. This is actually the shade Sweet Innocence. I've just been really liking this collection that CoverGirl recently came out with. I'm just putting basically a cream blush on my eyelid. So use what you have. You don't have to use, this is literally my third blush that I've used today. So you could use the same one that you used on your cheeks. Like, it's really not a big deal. But the whole point is that I'm using a cream blush. So next thing that I'm gonna do is take this Lime Crime Diamond Dew Confetti colored. It's like kind of like a liquid, what's it called? Glitter. It's like a clear glitter that's really, really pretty. And I'm just gonna kind of dab it, kind of like blending it up. I just don't want there to be like a hard line of where it stops. I want it to kind of gradually inch up there. I'm just gonna stick a little bit of white eyeliner on my inner, or not my inner corner, on my lower lash line, or my inner, what is it called? You know what I'm talking about, my inner waterline, that's what it is. Just a little bit. I'm gonna throw on some eyeliner, just a really, really, really thin, skinny line, and this is the Uzu eyeliner. Something really, really simple. And I don't even think I'm going to take it in because I'm going to put on lashes. So I don't know, we'll see if I need it to disguise the lash band, but if I don't, then I'm not even going to add anything else because I want it to be super, super nondescript. I'm going to throw on some lashes. These are the Lily lashes in the shade, no, in the style Paris. Definitely don't need lashes for this look, but I feel like if it's Valentine's Day and like you're going to go on a date, then it just adds a little bit of extra ba-ba boom. So lashes are on. I love these freaking lashes so much. I just love the shape of them, like, and they're super light and comfortable. Anyways, I like this. I like how it's super simple and there's no contour in this because there's so much highlight that you really don't need, what is it called, strobing. So basically just strobed instead of contoured, which actually I've kind of been living for. So let's do lips. I have like many ideas. I think what I'm going to try to do is just take some blush. So just take the heart stamp and put some on my fingers. Yeah. Oh, I love this lip color so much. Wait, I kind of am obsessed. Now on top of that, I'm just going to take a clear gloss. This is from Pixie by Petra. This is actually the Lip Lift Max in the shade Petal Ice. So this actually has a plumper in it, and it'll make your lips all nice and pouty. Although if you are going on a date, don't wear lip plumper. So yeah, that's actually just the entire look. I actually am kind of obsessed with it. Like, this is maybe my favorite makeup look that I've worn in like a really long time. I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about it. I feel like it's super simple, and I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I am obsessed. Like, literally, this is my favorite makeup look ever. So I wanna like go somewhere now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a really good Valentine's Day. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Oh, happy Valentine's Day.